Think you're part of the 1%? Prove it with our question from Math and Word.
We have questions of 4 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x equal to 25 to the power of x, and we need to find x. What I'm going to do is divide everything to 4 to the power of x. I eliminate one term with the power of x. Now I have 1 plus 10x divided by 4x. I have 10 over 4 on this to the power of x. Similarly, I have 25 over 4 on this to the power of x. Now as we can see that we can simplify 10 and 4 become 5 and 2. Over here, I see 25 is 5 square and 4 is 2 square, and then I take the square outside become 2x. Now I have 1 plus 5 over 2 on this to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 2 on this to the power of 2x. I have a quadratic equation over here. I'm just gonna sub y equal to 5 over 2 to the power of x, or let y equal to 5 over 2 on this to the power of x, and then I sub it back into these equations. I will have 1 plus y equal to y squared. I rearrange them and solve for this equation. Now I can use quadratic formula to solve these equations. I have y equal to, now we have a positive number and a negative number. I know it's negative because 1 minus square root of 5 give me a negative. But y equal to 5 over 2 to the power of x, we cannot have negative number here. So we only take one positive number, which is 1 plus square root of 5 on this divided by 2. And then I sub y back into this equation. Now I sub y equal to 1 plus square root of 5 on over 2 into these equations here. Now to find x, I just log both sides. So this is the exact value of x. If you want to calculate the value of x and then you round up to some certain decimal, this is what you're going to do. You have x equal to log space 10 of 1 plus root 5 on over 2. This whole thing divided by log space 10 of 5 over 2. And then you put the whole thing in your calculator, then you get the answer. And thank you for watching. If you can find the value in my content, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.